Everyone, and welcome to my channel Magic of One Click. So today we are going to type 134 program of HTML. So let's get started. We have to first open the notepad. So we'll open it and now we'll type the program. Multiple text shadow. So we'll start with doctype HTML tag, style type equals to text slash CSS, h1 tag, font family, Arial, text shadow, 2 pixel, 2 pixel, 3 pixel red, 4 pixel, 4 pixel, 3 pixel green, and 6 pixel, 6 pixel, and 3 pixel blue. So now we'll end style tag, head tag, and we'll start body tag, h1 tag, box shadow, and now we'll end h1 tag, body tag, and similarly the HTML tags. So now we'll just save it as 135 with the extension .html and in all files. So now let us check the output. Local disk D HTML folder and 135th program. So this is our basic output of how to use multiple text shadow, but there is some problem in this program, so we are not getting multiple shadow. So we'll check. So yes, we have done the changes, required changes for the program, and this is our final output. And don't forget to check the tags and description for the clear and basic understanding. Please like, share and subscribe the channel for amazing HTML videos.